A blessed Friday to you all. I'm genuinely not here to mix up the mix-up, but I could have sworn SHELLY-ANN CURRAN and Dancehall Queen Carlene was the bestest of friends, especially when Carlene's sister passed and all. So when I heard these voice notes circulating, it caught me off guard, alright?
You know, say you could have talked about me all you want. All of them is lies. But dirty Carlene, you must be mad, say. With all of the big man them where you ever take, you talk about a two. You still a parent. Is that a mad you? Is that mad in you? Me shock. Me never know she the drama. I wonder if she want on a tagger. No. Me never know Carlene. And me make you have to go bake cake. And me make you have to go bake cake. And me. The wine where you wine, me never chat this woman yet. This is when me chat people. Me go and do it brawling. Me go do it blood clot brawling.
St. Mark's Church.
Carlene, what make you never tell the people them oh you beg me rent money and them won't kick you out? Oh, you plan to talk about my dead son to Andre? You think Andre was your friend? But is your son? Oh, me run up in a me and me run up into her. Carlene is who again? I just your niece when me have so much respect for you, you know. My dead son, Dancehall Queen Carlene, DHQ Tagar. Play the voice note to people them a hear. Cause she shocked this morning say Andre set her up. Play the voice note again, my love. Play the voice note of her now saying everything she talk and not about so.
This didn't just happen. This didn't just happen.
The Carlene voices.
It didn't just happen.
Listen.
It didn't just happen. And the things that went talk about when you
no.
talk about me, and that made me get mad.
Never talk about this woman yet.
And me say I regret it.
But today me have a talk.
And me tell him him should have played everything. But it's okay. Me sorry, and me sorry.
You sorry? I know you're not sorry, my love. I know you're not sorry. You're not sorry yet.
Enough of that is edited. Me not say that something that me I listen to the thing and me I say, oh him do that.
Oh him do that.
Me I listen to the something and me I say, no, it's okay. Me not have nothing for say. Me can't say nothing because should I play the whole thing. Me sorry, say don't play the whole thing. Cause there's something that way, it's okay. Boy, me I tell you to blood clot.
To blood clot?
Me I hear something when me not say everything piecing together, but it's okay. It's alright. Anything you do and say, Shelly, you have entitlement.
Of course, me have entitlement to burn out your nasty, fat, sour blood.
Enough of that is edited.
She said sorry?
Then me I listen to the thing and me I say, oh, him do that. Me I listen to the something and me I say, no, it's okay. Me not have nothing to say. Me can't say nothing because should I play the whole thing. Me sorry, say don't play the whole thing. Because there's something way, it's okay. Boy, me I tell you to blood clot. Me I hear something when me not say everything piecing together, but it's okay. It's alright.
You can't piece together that. She get kids.
I thought it's wrong and so it go. That's why I'm tell you there's something edit, right? It edit. Cause me talk something about Dana and Beanie Man and him cut it out. It cut out piece and edit. It cut out piece and edit. But you know what? Shelly, anything you say about me, yeah, me taking it because because when him tell me the things,
It's not the man me cussing.
even listen. Me shouldn't even.
As somebody when me think as somebody when me love.
You know when you're born, but it's okay.
As somebody when me love, that's what me tell you, say me not sure.
So I know when peace that from, but I never call him ugly. I'm listening to your voice now, that's why. Listen back that. I don't know how that peace come in, but it wasn't because
Hey,
that's why I'm gonna tell you this. I did not.
may I tell you this? Me say when you hear what she actually say, I just threw me a go feel. Hold on a man. Do you know that Carlene saved my life?
281.
Do you know that I actually sent her a message a month ago telling her I will always be grateful? Listen, me and my husband was trying to have kids before I had the two. I have to tell the story fast because I so want to go. I so want to come and tell you say, she no work, me can't, me have my show for blood clot because that a mad all a blood clot there. Right? Do you know that I had 13 miscarriages me and my husband tried? And one of them, which I've spoken about, was in my tube. And it's Carlene carried me to the doctor to make me, and I had emergency surgery and I nearly died. This woman say abortion have. Judge of God! And it's up when me talk publicly and say this woman saved my life. You must not hear the things that she talk about me and my kids. She lucky say me not stay the way home stay or make her rob her daughter. Because I'm not go bring her daughter in this. No. If Andre even tell her something and say, you know, say Shelly did say, then she not call me. Now one woman will come here say all the time, I'm glad I slash every. Look here, I know me say everything this woman talk. Me entitled for say any blood thing. Hey, me not trust blood. Me a go play it, but me telling you say me I'm sure. Carlene, nobody never beg you for come on tea time, come on live. Your career is, you don't have a career. Andre tell her say she can take over the dance hall again. Just bring two bodies, two bodies. Yes. Let me tell you something. Touch my picnic then, not tell me off a blood clot deal with nothing. Eh? She have what in a Mecca? No, listen to me, me not bash Andre, you know. Andre reveal. Andre is not well, so me not even a pay him no mind. Me not pay him no mind. She say what she say. I remember me tell you this. Me tell you something. You can't talk about anything about me. But you say when you reach my picnic, you say when you don't reach my picnic, I'm a dead son. Dirty Carlene. Carlene, I'm going to play all the voice note them when me send to you. Come, I are the first you ever hear me talk anything. I'm gonna have it, me say, listen, when you feel like say all of the things them come run for life, I text her some nastiness, that's why she said me I deny everything. No man, me text her everything because me not play blockers. No. You not have you not have your sister where you mourn, you not have your sister funeral where you beg me to post up every minute and me post and support you. You there I take entrapment from all I wanna do realize the man the video name I am a manipulator and I record